and welcome. This is the first part of my mini project to build a chessboard using machine learning. In this part, I will not focus on machine learning. Instead, we will discuss about building a user interface with a chessboard. This chessboard is playable by two human players. So, in the future, this chessboard can be played in single player and multiplayer. For now, let's work on the multiplayer feature. Okay, for the front end, I'm using Chessbot JS. This library provided you basic requirements for a chess game, which are the board and all the pieces black and white. This lib consists of its CSS and GS counterparts. Of course, you need to call all of them first. Here is the CSS and here for GS. After that, place a div as a container for the board. Give it an ID so we can reference it later in the GS. Here my ID is my board. And now here's the script section of the chessboard. Here I have some function override from chessboard.js. Those are on drag start, on snap end, and on drop. These three functions can be triggered when as its name. These three functions can be triggered like its name. On drag start, when you drag a piece, on snap end, when the snap animation ends, and on drop, when you drop the piece in the new position. Actually, in this code, all the real operations are inside on drop. Here, the first move is appending the current chosen move to an array of historical moves in the match. After that, we include the array in the JSON as history parameter. After that, we send this JSON to the route getMove as the post method. GetMove will return the legality of our chosen move and the state of whose side the winner is when the move is taken. If still there is no winner or the game still playing, then we will get null. If the game is finished, then we will get the white or black string as the winner of the game or draw. When the game finished, we set that anybody can move any piece in this if code. As you can see, we have a variable called status game finish, which become true when the game finished. We declared it previously here as false. So while this variable still equal false, then we can move any piece in the board. Why? Because in chessboard.js, when we return string snapback in the override function, then any piece that are being moved will revert back. We also rewrite certain div element in the page to state the winner here. The way how we can revert the position when anybody use an illegal move is by saving the previous board state, and then when the either game finish or an illegal move is detected, then we refer to the previous board state. When we doing a castling move, chessboard.js can automatically move the rook. We must move it by ourselves. So here we try to detect when we are doing castling move. When it's detected, then we move the rook as the castling row. And that is all important move on the front end side. Now onto the back end side. Here we use Flash for the server to check the legality of chess move. We use the chess module in Python. There are two routes we use here, slash and getMove, and we use the slash route to show the chessboard, the GUI, and slash getMove is used to check the legality of the move as I already explained. Here, the first step is to extract the history move from the JSON that was sent previously. The for loop here is used to check the legality of the move one by one. When there is an illegal move detected, then we immediately return the legality as false. After that, we push the move to the board of backend. After that, we check it. If it either the game is finished or still ongoing, after we do the move using this function. Here, this is the function. You can see here, we check it by using the chessboard method by chesspython. After that, if all moves are valid, we will not return the function until the loop finishes, right? Thus, we set the legal key as true here. After that, we return the JSON and send it to the front end. And that is the explanation of how all of this work. Now let's do little demonstration. I will play again myself here. Okay, this is the GUI. This is the title of my project. And this is the button to restart the game. Let's restart. And in here I will try to do a quick demo. So I will try to do a quick checkmate. And for that I will move white here, and then peon here, and then here, and then after that here, and then queen will move here, and then here. You must be know what I want to try to do if you play chess. This is a classic quick checkmate, and then after that I will move the queen here and checkmate. Here, when the winner, it say white winner. And in the checkmate, no one can move a piece. So if you want to play again, you must restart the game and play again like this. Yeah, as you can see, I think the games work well. Well, that is for now. I will give you the next part when we successfully build the bot maybe, or I will try to explain how to build the bot using machine learning. Okay, see ya.